Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to insert a date picker in Google Sheets. This feature is super useful for ensuring consistent date entries in your spreadsheets, making it easier to manage schedules, deadlines, and more. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells where you want to add the date picker. For this example, we'll use column A. Step 2. With the cell selected, go to the data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. Step 4. In the Data Validation dialog box, set the criteria to validate. This tells Google Sheets that only dates should be entered in these cells. It's that simple. The date picker makes entering dates fast and error-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in future videos.